शुरू करें। ये पास्ट हमारा आसानी से पीछा नहीं छोड़ता। हम सभी इंडिविजुअल्स का अपना अपना एक पास्ट होता है, सबके अपने अपने एक्सपीरियंस और पर्सपेक्टिव्स होते हैं एंड कहीं ना कहीं हर किसी इंडिविजुअल ने अपने एक्सपीरियंस में ये रीजन तो दिया होगा टू डू थिंग्स और नॉट टू डू थिंग्स कि ऐसा हमारे साथ पहले भी कभी हुआ है। Our experiences from different people, situations or happenings shape how we feel about things in the present. हमारे decisions, emotions और reasoning काफी influence होते हैं depending on what we have experienced in the past and how much of we retain it in the present. For example, अगर हमें किसी appliance या electric socket से shock लगा हो, we are going to be super careful about touching anything for the next few times. On the other hand, अगर आपको कभी shock लगा ही नहीं है, you may not even know how dangerous it can be. This is exactly the impact of individual experiences. Relationships में, करियर में, किसी individual human being के towards भी आपकी जो भी feelings है are all shaped because of each and every little element that you have come across in your lifetime. Think about the person who irritates you the most. कोई ऐसा जिनसे आपको बात करना भी पसंद नहीं है, जिसके आसपास आप रहना भी नहीं चाहते, just because they talk in a certain manner or behave in a certain way. Now think about another person who showcases similar type of a behavior और आप उसको बिना reason के day one से hate करने लगते हैं. Not because that person is bad or evil, but just because you don't want to see that trait in anyone around you. इसके लेवल्स ऑफ सीरियसनेस काफी डीप तक जाते हैं. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट समबडी टॉकिंग टू यू रूडली. थिंक अबाउट गैस लाइटिंग, थिंक अबाउट अब्यूज, थिंक अबाउट ऑप्रेशन, अबाउट वायलेंस. Think about the amount of time for which a person bears such things that they cannot even remotely be around people who even mentions this topic. One of the reasons why trigger warnings are given. The levels of seriousness are deeper than we think it is. And often, the realization to grow above such things is where the struggle of a person is, and it is supremely subjective. Maybe you're afraid to open up to someone or trust someone because you have been abused. Maybe you're not able to share your ideas because they have always been shot down. Maybe you're not able to sit with your family members because all of your statements are overridden with advices जो आपने कभी पूछी भी नहीं थी. पिछले एक्सपीरियंसेस से हमारी प्रेजेंट की फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस आर सो अफेक्टेड कि जिस आसानी से मूव ऑन कह दिया जाता है, अक्सर वो उतना आसान होता नहीं है. Of all the things and theories that are present out there, in 1940s and 50s, Fritz and Laura Perls and Paul Goodman laid the foundation of something that what we today know as Gestalt therapy.
Dropping Gyan.
Gestalt therapy was based on a very different idea than other psychological concepts. The idea was to build upon how you feel today about things rather than decoding the past. For example, अगर आप ऑनलाइन फूड ऑर्डर करते हैं एंड आपका एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं रहा है, एंड ऐसा एक बार नहीं बहुत बार हुआ है, Gestalt therapy will concentrate upon your current hatred of the food delivery system, streamline and address it for the future. लेकिन इसका फायदा क्या है? Overcoming your fears. Gestalt therapy helps you in keeping the past in the past and आपकी present feelings, situations और emotions को ground zero बना के helps you in developing over it. तो इस एपिसोड में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा 3 ऐसे key pointers that can probably help you in overcoming your fears. Let's begin. Step 1. Phenomenology. Understanding your future requirements and assumptions on how you're feeling today is very important here. For example, अगर आपको अपने बॉस से छुट्टी मांगनी है and you don't do that because वो आपको और ज़्यादा काम दे देंगे, you're already feeling bad without even asking, just because ऐसा पहले भी हुआ है. Now understand that you are interpreting the future based on your current requirement, जो हो सकता है कि आपकी आज की situation वैसी हो भी ना. Step 2. Dialogical relationship. Whenever you're talking to someone, try and describe your feelings rather than explaining it. Now there is a very fine line between the two, but maybe this can help. अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि describe a car, maybe you'll talk about the model, the color, the price of the car or the features of it. But when I ask you to explain the car, maybe you'll start talking about how to start a car, how to accelerate the car and how to apply the brakes. Now whenever you are trying to describe a feeling, you're using adjectives, but whenever you're trying to explain a feeling, you're using verbs. Look for these words. Step 3. Field theory. Field theory is knowing that whatever you're experiencing is a part of a bigger picture. Maybe you didn't get the right food delivered because the chef had a bad day. Maybe your boss doesn't want to give you leaves because he doesn't get leaves himself. Imagine yourself in a big football ground जहाँ पर और भी बहुत सारे players हैं who are having their own emotional struggles, but everybody is in the same zone playing with the same ball. Knowing that you are all under one umbrella takes off the pressure of responsibilities that arise due to emotions. Gestalt therapy is focused on enabling by counsel. इसका main essence and main crux is what you have seen so far is experimental freedom. Basically, knowing what you want, describing your feelings, and knowing that you are a part of a bigger picture could help you in taking that छुट्टी that you deserve. I hope आपको आज का एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा. If you or anyone you know needs help regarding depression or anxiety, you can visit the दरवाजा खोलो वेबसाइट जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. Share this video with as many people as possible because you never know किसको इसकी जरूरत पड़ जाए. मेरा नाम है प्रथमेश. Signing off. खुश रहो, keep smiling और सुनो दरवाजा खोलो. Please be kind to the person next to you. Thank you.